Alright guys, let's make a flat white with the Ethiopian beans. It's a process gonna be natural. Let's do that. So let's unplug the portafilter. Make sure it's 0. Then plug it to the blender. So today our calibration was 19 gram. There you go. Make sure distribute it well and just tamp it nicely, gently. You can see the flow. Alright, just release the water and then clean a bit. Just plug it and then on the bottom just wait for the nice it's like a honey viscous flow. There you go. Now you can start the steam the milk. By the way, it's organic full farm milk. There you go. All right. See how it look like this. Perfecto. Let's try it.